So hello guys and welcome back to Chess with Ayush, and guys, today I'm gonna play some more variants and gonna commentate live on them against my brother. And guys, last time I played some matches on chess.com. We played two variants, Chess 960 and Fog of War. I hope you enjoyed that, and today we will be playing three more variants. So guys, first of all, this is a variant called three check chess. So in this, the first person who gives three checks to their opponent wins. So let's start it. I play e4. He played e5. We are playing it, by the way, on Lichess. It's a really nice website for these variants. And see guys, he's trying to give me a check. So how do I prevent it? Okay, it's really tricky. So he's you know that in this variant you can actually sacrifice some pieces to get some checks. So let's see what he does. I will push this so that he cannot attack me. Oh no, he gave me a first check. I have to move out. Guys, actually, I've not played this variant since a long time, and I'm not really used to them. Oh no, this is really bad for me. I don't know what I should do. Oh no. I'm just trying to protect some checks, guys. If he gives me three checks, he has already given me one. I will just lose. I think he really wants to redeem himself, which, like, he lost the last time and he don't want to lose another time. Okay, so what do we do? Guys, I have no idea what should I do. Actually, my king is really unsafe and this isn't looking really great. I would... Oh no. And actually, if you just checkmate the opponent, you will win. So I think I would try that strategy right now, because giving three checks before him is really difficult for me right now, and I don't think I would be able to do that. Okay, actually he messed up a little bit. He had to give me a check. So let's see. Okay, so what do? We go here maybe. Oh no, he gave me another check, guys. This is really bad. I think I just lose. Oh no. Guys, wherever, no matter where I go, I will just get another check and I will lose. Guys, this is really bad. I think I will call him for a rematch, because on this game, guys, this is not really good. I think he will accept the rematch, or we should not, I think, because last time I won and this time he won. So I don't think I should give him a rematch. He won the game fair and square, and I lost. So I will try hard next time, and uh, I will make a short cut till the next variant starts. So wait. So guys, here I am back. So now we are playing the King of the Hill variant. So as you can read right now, the game can be won by bringing the king to the center. So the center squares are a bit like they are lifted up, so you can see the center four squares. So I hope so. The first king that enters those four squares will win. So let's see how we can do this. And also, guys, in this also, if you get checkmated, then also you lose. So these are the rules. So he is trying to cut off the squares. I will also try to cut off the squares. So his king will start to come out. I will also bring my king. See, you can see his king is trying to come in. So I will block the square. I will go here because now he cannot take, because my king will take it and it will come in. Even I cannot take. I think I should get a little bit more protection right there. Okay. Guys, if you see right now, his king is sorry, like, he is really good in these variants. Like the last time we played those variants, I think I was pretty good because I was practicing those variants. But right now, if you see, he's playing really nicely these variants, so I have to be really careful. Like in the last game, I didn't even get to commentate that much. I hope you understood the last game. He played really nicely, and I just got really he just destroyed me in the last game. I didn't even got to tell you much. Just those three checks. Just I was not really careful. I hadn't played these variants since a long time. So actually, guys, if you see, I am playing on Lichess. It's really nice website for these variants. I think the Lichess is the only website which has introduced these variants on its app. So I think you should definitely try them if you like them. So let's try to give him some checks and get his king out of the way. Oh, that is a pretty cool move. Okay. Oh, actually, right now I have a really nice tactic. But before that, I have to handle all these checks. Guys, actually, in some moves, I think I see a fork of his king and queen. I will try that. So first, I will bring my bishop here. Oh, sorry, I don't want to pre-move it. Oh no, his queen move. So I now I cannot do that. So actually, if you see right now, the position is really closed, and you cannot say who is winning because the position is not really open. So let's see what he does. Actually, I think he will take the knight, but that will give strength to my structure. I don't think he will do that. Let's see. Actually, his now knight is right now an outpost. So an outpost is a. I think I taught you that in the another video, that an outpost is a square in which the opponent, some of the piece of the opponent is there, uh, which disables the opponent's piece, which is in a safe square, and none of our pieces is attacking it. Oh, he gives a sacrifice. Okay, I will give a threat to his queen. I don't know if I'm. Oh, guys, this is just so embarrassing. I got checkmated. Oh no. What will I do? I'm just getting annihilated in these games. Just getting destroyed. Guys, I think I need a short break. Oh no, guys, I'm just getting destroyed. He's not even giving me some chance. Like, I don't think he liked that when I defeated him 3-0 in the last time in the variants. I don't want to lose him this way. Guys, I think I need to play really nicely. So, guys, this my brother is really strong. So, guys, this is a anti-chess variant. So, in this, you have to like in the normal chess, you have to save all the pieces and win the game, but in this you have to lose all the pieces. So the person which gets stalemate is a position in which we have no moves, and a king cannot move, and if a person gets that position, he won. Or if the all the pieces of all the pieces of a person dies, then also he wins. And in this there is nothing like checkmate or checks, because this is not normal chess. So in this, the king can also be captured like other normal pieces, and there is nothing like checks. So I will try. So first of all, if and also guys, there is nothing like if he cannot play any other move. Like in this position, I played my bishop there, so he has to take it. So now I am trying to sacrifice most of my pieces. So now he doesn't has any other move. He has to take it. So he cannot delay the taking of a piece. So that is a really bad move. Like he also did the same thing. So we have to sacrifice all our pieces. So like he is also giving me all the pawns. So rather than taking, I can take another thing. So if we have option between two things, we can take any of these. So that's our choice. But right now he can take my pawn, so he has to take it. Oh, actually, if you see right now, I have a really nice attack. See, he has to take this pawn also, and after this he has to take this. Oh guys, I think I have got this. I think I got this. He has to take this also, or he can take the rook. So now he has a choice. I think I'm a really nice position. I'm in a really nice position. I didn't wanted to give him a chance in this. Actually, if you see it, anti-chess is one of my favorite. One of my favorite these variants. I really like to play these variants. Okay, let's see what he plays next. He took that pawn. I will offer him another pawn. He has to take this also. Guys, I think I should win at least one of these variants, because like I have got destroyed in two of the variants. So I'm looking forward to win at least one of these. So now he has to take my knight also. Like he okay, guys, I think I got this. I'm in a really nice position. Okay, so what should I do that he has to take most of my pieces? I give this also. Oh guys, I think I got this. Yes. I think it's. Oh no. I shouldn't celebrate too early. Oh no. I might have not got this. Okay, if I push this pawn, what happened? Oh, it's his move. I thought something happened. No, like, oh, okay. I think I got this. Yes. So now he has to take the my pawn with his rook, and after this I will push my pawn, and now my pawn will enhance to the a5 square and like this. So now he has no moves and I also have no moves, but he has more pieces. So guys, I will win instantly. See, I won the game. So it was 2-1. I had really fun with playing with him. So guys, like if you see right now in variants, first I won 3-0, now he won 2-1. So now it's 1-1. So I think we will to decide who is a better player, we will play some normal chess. I think some other day we will play one blitz game, then a rapid, and then finish it off with some bullets to see who is a better player. So goodbye till the next video, and I hope you enjoyed this, me playing variants against my brother. I think I'm definitely waiting to take the revenge from him. He destroyed me in two variants. Actually, I took a bit of revenge, and I also won the last variants game. But I think I will definitely play some normal games also to because these are the normal games are the only which decide who is a better chess player, because these variants are only for fun. So we will definitely play some normal games with my brother. So goodbye guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and please like and comment on the video. So bye bye.